quite excited to be moving into our new premises soon. We've outgrown our old place, so we're just going to give you a quick tour of where we're at the moment. We'll come through into our wash and our detailing area. So this side we've got two warehouses. This side is purely for detailing and washing the cars. This area here is going to be our wash area. These walls are going to be tanked up the edges, which is stopping the water migrating through. We move through the detailing bay. Nice kitchen area here, and then this area here we're going to have our alloy wheel coating area to make it a nice big space for us to do that on. Two detailing bays, one here obviously. We've got our air-fed lines pumped in, ready to go. So all our equipment will run off of an air-fed compressor, which is sat in the other unit next door. Now we're into our very much customer area. So two folds here when we run events, when we run any sort of promotional days, things like that. This area is purely designed to allow customers to come in, relax, chill out, enjoy their time here. We're going to have TVs on the wall, we're going to have a pool table in the middle. You see the kitchen there, that's going in that corner. Over there, we're going to hopefully looking to get like a racing simulator in here. We're going to run some competitions, see if you can beat us on the simulator. Obviously, it's not in a complete state yet. We've got our air conditioning for full ventilation throughout. Big windows going here. So actually, you can look down into the warehouse, see what's going on. Director's office, it won't be separated like that. We're kind of quite team orientated here, so most of the time we'll all be out in the main office here. So we've got plenty of room to get everyone working together, working closely, working as a team. This is the warehouse where we can store our products, things like that, couple of boxes, all that sort of good stuff. And then through here, we've got a training room. This is the bad boy compressor that's going to run everything from the other side, and the machines that we use on the manufacturing side. This is going to be our wall-based room. Anything wall-based can be done in here. Lower benching, so we're going to have mixing machine, we're going to have bottling machine, we're going to have labelling machine. We're going to have all this work got in place for the boxing up of the products. This is our ceramic room. Up there we've got our extraction for the ceramic side of things. And then, same as the previous room, the lower bench for mixing machine, bottling machine, labelling machine, and up here more work in place for the boxing. And that's a quick tour around of the new premises.